Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to the crash course which we are doing for grade 10th ICSE. The chapter is photosynthesis, and these are the topics which you are not supposed to miss by any chance. Very important topics. Diagrams, first of all, we'll talk about. I'll not waste time. We'll just quickly start with it. Diagrams, chloroplast can come for drawing. It can come as a structural question also, but for drawing chances are more that this diagram will come for drawing. So you have a diagram in your book, please practice that diagram for your paper. Then we have topics, the main topics. There are multiple topics in the chapter. The main out of them are the process of photosynthesis, where you have light dependent and light independent phase. Now कैसे आना ये क्वेश्चन? दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क यू कि पूरा प्रोसेस राइट द फुल प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. दे विल बी आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम इन बिटवीन. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल दे कैन आस्क यू मे बी व्हाट इज फोटोलिसिस, व्हाट इज photosphorylation, photosphorylation. Fine. They can ask you what is polymerization. They can ask you which of the raw material leads to formation of glucose, that's carbon dioxide. So what I'm trying to say is it will not come as a full-fledged question, but yes, there can be these questions here and there, maybe these three as definitions. Then there are multiple equations given there. They can ask you questions from in between. पूरा कोई नहीं पूछेगा. And very important, where does light dependent reaction take place and where light independent? Thylakoidostroma ही आपको पता होना चाहिए that where it happens. So these are this is a very important question from this, but yes, of course, will not come as a 5 marker. It can be here and there under 1 marker questions. Next is adaptation and factors. Again, no one is going to ask you, okay fine, write 4 adaptations of leaves to perform photosynthesis. There can be a question here and there, like for example, name a plant has more of chlorophyll. Is it possible for it to perform more photosynthesis, or maybe it performs less? So you have to explain. Same with the factors affecting the process of photosynthesis. They can ask you questions like what happens if this amount of carbon dioxide is provided to the plant for to the process of photosynthesis. Yeah, how is photosynthesis affected by the amount of CO2 in atmosphere? या फिर we all know that there is a specific temperature range after which photosynthesis stops. Why it stops? Because the enzymes they denature. So the optimum temperature, that's 37 degree centigrade. उसके बाद जितना भी photosynthesis होता है वो होता ही नहीं है, because the enzymes they denature. So that part. So these are a few questions which can be framed from inside, but पूरा कोई नहीं पूछेगा. So yes, of course, this is again important for 1 marker questions here and there. Now comes the experiments. Very important 5 mark question. There are experiments to prove that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis, experiment to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis, and also to prove that oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis. Any experiment can come as a 5 mark question. Fine. So now there is a process given here in this part, and that is iodine test. It was there in a board paper wherein they had asked the whole iodine test. How? In the form of paragraph where blanks were given. It's a very very important test. पूरे steps आपको step wise पता होना चाहिए. You must know that we boil the leaf in water to kill the cells. We boil the leaf in alcohol to remove chlorophyll. So everything should be clear with you, and you should know step wise कि पहले क्या होएगा, second क्या है. So you have to learn it step wise, plus de-starching. De-starching also very important. There are a few questions related to de-starching. First, what is de-starching? Second, how is it done? Third, what is the purpose of de-starching the plant? So this part also becomes very important. Iodine test and de-starching. Other than these 5 marker question, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि that a 5 marker question is there, उसके बीच में 1 mark में पूछ लिया what is de-starching, why do we de-starch the plant, या फिर give the various steps of iodine test. So these 2 topics are very very important for photosynthesis. You cannot miss them, plus a 5 marker experiment. We have done all these topics in detail, and you can find those videos in the description link. Click click on the description link and you will see that there is a proper playlist form जहाँ पे आपको 1 2 3 करके you will get all the videos for the chapter where everything has been explained in detail. Fine. So in our next video I'll take up 2 short questions from the chapter photosynthesis. Please watch, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.